welcome back to Marketing Prof for another unique walkthrough series about our go-to marketplaces or platforms for us to download all these sound effects or SFX files. Okay, so where do you usually source for your sound effects or SFX files? If you have any suggestions, don't forget to leave it at the comment section. And alright, so there's different types of sound effects for different use cases. So once we're in our PicBest account, whether you're using a free or a paid account, so we just have to either select all these over here, which is next to the search bar, and we just click on sound effects, or we can just head over to our main page, the home page, and yeah, we can select sound effects and all sound effects. It's basically the same. Yeah, and there's for advertising. Yeah, so let's randomly pick one. Alright, and there's fast-paced TikTok shouting or short videos, sorry. Alright, there's also like computer mouse clicks. Okay, there's congratulations. So video game vibe. Yeah, so the next one would be for television, and we can filter it based on popularity, most downloaded, most recent, yesterday's best. So yeah, feel free to select your preferred filters. Okay, and there's, yeah, for this in the animation. Wow! Okay. Wow! Sorry. Yeah, and another one over here. Okay, so most of all these files are usually in MP3, but if you discover WAV in the title of the sound effects file, that means there's WAV format for this sound effects file. So you don't have to convert it using another software from MP3 and you upscale it to WAV. Yeah, you just have to download it directly. Alright, if you are very concerned about the audio bitrate or the quality of the audio files. Yeah, so next up we've got game. Yeah, and there's also different use cases over here for, like, you can just click on this to expand for different use cases. Yeah, and there's this one which is like electronic prompt. Okay, and walking footsteps. Something that's much more closer to our daily lives. Yeah, so there's human voices, this heartbeat sound. There's audience laughter. Okay, and there's, yeah, quick talk voice. Alright, so there's a myriad of different types of music, sound effects in our PicBest account. Yeah, so the interesting part about PicBest is sometimes they will suggest the actual music, the sound effects which is being used in, like, even video templates. Say for example, under the freebie section, there's like all these video templates that will be updated from time to time. So this is the Lunar New Year greeting message, and okay, so there's a music, suggested music over here. Okay, so we just have to click on it. So just listen to the music. Okay, so let's match with this one.
Pick best.
Yeah, see that? So PickBest is very unique in this sense, whereby we don't have to pay extra for the music, which is suitable for our use cases, such as all these video projects, and there's even like the suggested music, which is similar. So you don't have to search by yourself for the most suitable music for all these different use cases. Yeah. So if you like this walkthrough, don't forget to give the thumbs up. Don't forget to share your thoughts about PickBest or other platforms or marketplaces that you usually source your sound effects files. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell notification.